Number 5. PowerWorks 60V. Self-propelled 21 steel cutting deck features a 3-in-1 design. High-efficiency 60V brushless motor. Stores vertically, taking up less space in your garage. 7-position, single lever height adjustment. 60V5 lithium-ion battery provides up to 45 minutes runtime. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Greenworks 20-inch. Durable 20-inch steel deck. Powerful 12-amp motor cuts through the toughest grass. Unlimited runtime with AC cord power. 3-in-1 system, mulch, rear bagging, and side discharge. Single lever 7-position height adjustment. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Besta. Cord mower, trimmer, and edger combined in one compact machine. 9.9 pounds with adjustable handle and height positions for comfort and control. Feed more cable without stopping or bumping. 12-inch cutting width and 1.6-inch cutting height. Cord retention system to prevent accidental cord disconnection. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Ego Power Plus 21. High-efficiency brushless motor. Adjustable self-propel speed 0.9 mph, 3.1 miles per hour. 7-position cutting height adjustments, 1.54. 3-in-1 function, mulching, bagging, side discharge. Get 60 minutes of runtime on single charge. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Greenworks Pro 21. Brushless motors are more reliable and delivers gas equivalent performance. Smart cut load sensing technology. 3-in-1 mulch, rear bag, and side discharge. 60 minutes of runtime with 2 fully charged 2.0 Ah battery. All this without the hassle of gas, cords or maintenance. Please check the description for details and best price.